Hi everyone! In this video we're going to open 4 eggs. We have 2 Toy Story eggs, as well as 2 Spongebob Squarepants. Okay. Hi everyone! Welcome to our latest video. In this episode we're going to open 4 eggs. 2 of them are from Toy Story 3, the movie, and 2 of them are from Spongebob Squarepants. The first egg we're going to open is this green see-through egg from Toy Story. Inside we have all the different characters that we can collect. There are 6. As well as the pig character from Toy Story. The next egg we're going to open is this SpongeBob SquarePants egg. We can see from the outside that it has a toy in it. Inside we have a SpongeBob SquarePants keychain, and we have this liquid candy spray, which tastes like strawberry. The next egg we're going to open is a SpongeBob SquarePants Super Surprise egg. Inside, we have a series of stickers of the different characters from the show. Have all the different characters that you can collect, which there are a lot of. We have some candies, and we have a figurine of one of SpongeBob's friends. The last egg we're going to open is this orange Toy Story egg. Inside, we have the different buildable figures. And we have this penguin toy that we can put together. Thanks for tuning into our video. One more time. Nope. Once again, these are the toys that we opened today in the eggs. We have the stacking toy from Toy Story. We have the pig from Toy Story. We have Patrick Star and SpongeBob SquarePants. We have binoculars and a penguin from Toy Story. Thanks for watching today's episode. Feel free to leave us a suggestion or comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time with new surprises and eggs, and be sure to check out our other videos by clicking on any of the previews right now.